Hello everyone, my name is AAQIB and I taught Python during this summer camp. So teaching Python was really awesome. This is actually my first time teaching it and my first time teaching programming at all. And I learned a lot, especially from the students who were very eager and very encouraging. And especially when I screwed up explaining stuff, and they were always very helpful. So I'm very proud of all the students that did so much work this summer. Everyone learned so much. It was really exciting seeing everyone being so prepared and motivated to learn, especially during summer vacation, which I thought was very shocking. And I was pleasantly surprised, and I was so proud of all of you. And I encourage you to continue your programming through the future. Nice meeting you all.
Hello and congratulations to my Python class from CS Summer 2020. This was a new situation for all of us, and I'm really proud that all of you were able to, get through it and learn as much as you could. We learned everything from, leaving proper indents to for loops and if statements, flow of control and everything. And so I'm super proud that all of you were able to learn and, adapt to the situation properly. I'd encourage you to keep practicing and keep learning different things about syntax and Python, and stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy, and fight on.
Hi guys, congratulations on completing your summer sessions at CSZSE. Regardless of whether you continue to program in the future, your newfound skills of problem solving, critical thinking, reasoning, and logic are ones that you can carry with you throughout the rest of your life, regardless of the profession you choose. You've surmounted a challenge that many people never get the opportunity and never get in the position to face. So for that, I congratulate you. You should really pat yourselves on the back for all of the hard work you've done this summer. And to all of my students, I know I always wore this hat during class, so I thought as a fun little surprise to you, I'll show you guys what I look like underneath. It's a little bit of a mess, but that's Carlos underneath the hat. Thank you so much for spending your summer with me, and I look forward to hearing from you guys in the future and hearing all the wonderful things you do.
Hi guys, I just wanted to thank you for a very enjoyable summer. I've loved watching you guys grow as coders from the different camp sessions. I know that you guys are going to do amazing things in life because you guys are an extremely bright set of students and you'll be able to accomplish anything you set your minds to. I highly encourage you guys to continue coding, learning, exploring as the next couple of months and years go by. And I just really hope that you enjoy the rest of what's left of your summer and enjoy your school that's coming up very soon. The last thing I would say as a tip of advice is always to break down a problem into smaller bits. It's how you do coding as well as just anything in life. If you try to take it on as one big thing, you may struggle with it, but if you break it down into pieces, it'll be easier to solve. But yeah, I just really enjoyed having you guys as students, and I can't wait to see what great things you accomplish. Bye from Danny, your TA in Python.
Hello, my Python kids. I really adored that for some of you, I got to have you for like 6 straight weeks, and it was a really fun summer. And I always really looked forward to having our classes together. So keep on learning Python. Keep on learning about computer science and whatever you're interested in the realm of computer science, whether that be eventually learning Java as well. And do your best on the incoming school year. I know you may be nervous, and it's okay to be nervous. It's definitely acceptable to be. But keep doing your best, keep on learning. You'll have a great school year, I know you still will. And if you need help, feel free to reach out. And I loved my summer I got to have with you guys. Take care.
Hello guys. I really had a lot of fun teaching you guys Python, and I hope you guys had fun as well. Coding is one of the things that I appreciate a lot because you get to build all sorts of things with pretty much just a computer, but it could seem very scary and difficult at times, even for adults. That's why I'm really glad you guys started early and still did an awesome job. If you liked what we did in class, then I really hope you can continue on this path and create more things with Python or even other languages. Either way, try to have fun, and I hope you guys just keep on coding.
Hi everyone, Lily here. I've really enjoyed teaching you Python this summer. I've had some of you for multiple levels, and I've loved seeing you grow into stronger programmers and problem solvers with each additional level of Python. For those of you who I had for only one camp, it was a pleasure to get to know you over our 2 weeks together and help you grow into a stronger programmer too. I hope that this camp has inspired you to continue to explore the fields of computer science. Good luck with this upcoming school year, and fight on!
Hi everyone, so I wanted to wish you congratulations on finishing Python over the summer. It was really great teaching you all, and I hope that you all really enjoyed the class and learned a lot, and I really hope that you found a passion for technology and for computer programming, because that's going to help you a lot with everything that you do, no matter what field you go into. I didn't learn how to program until I was in the end of high school and in college, and you guys are all off to a really great early start. That's amazing. And just like with when we were programming, sometimes we got errors, but that never let us get us down. All we did was we looked at the errors, we tried to figure out what was going wrong with our programs, and we tried to solve the problem. And then the end result was awesome. So I wish you guys all the best of luck with school starting soon. And I know you guys are going to do amazing in everything that you guys do, and I wish you the best of luck. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hi Python students. First of all, I wanted to congratulate you guys on completing Python with CS at SC. Whether you were in Python level 1 or you went all the way up to Python level 4, I hope you guys took away some valuable skills from the program and some valuable lessons. I think you guys should be incredibly proud for everything that you've accomplished, all the projects, assignments you've submitted, and I hope that you feel that you've taken away something valuable from the camp as well. If you were in any of my classes, I wanted to personally thank you for participating every day and showing enthusiasm for the topic of Python, and I'm glad I was able to, work with you guys, teach you guys, and learn alongside you guys. I encourage you guys to keep programming, keep learning, and keep having fun, and I wish you the best of luck this coming school year. Thank you.